5 proven strategies to transform your mental health today. Ready to take control of your mental health? In this video, we explore 5 life-changing strategies backed by science to help you feel better, reduce stress, and live your best life. These are practical, effective, and easy to implement. Watch until the end to discover actionable tips that can make a difference starting today. 1. Connect with nature. Nature is one of the most powerful tools for improving mental health, and it's available to everyone. Research from the University of Exeter shows that just 2 hours in nature each week can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve overall well-being. Whether it's a walk in the park, hiking through the woods, or simply sitting in your backyard, immersing yourself in green spaces can help calm your mind and restore your focus. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a scientifically backed practice that can change the way you experience life. Meditation, a key part of mindfulness, has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and even chronic pain. 3. Prioritize nutrition for your mind. What you eat plays a bigger role in mental health than you might think. Nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish provide the vitamins and minerals your brain needs to function at its best. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon and walnuts, are particularly beneficial for mood regulation and cognitive function. Don't underestimate the power of hydration either. Dehydration can cause fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Start your day with water. 4. Move your body every day. Exercise is a natural antidepressant. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are chemicals in your brain that make you feel good. But you don't have to become a gym fanatic to reap the benefits. Simple activities like walking, stretching, or dancing around your living room can elevate your mood. Consistency matters more than intensity. Even a 10-minute daily workout can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. If motivation is a challenge, try activities that are genuinely fun for you. Whether it's rollerblading, playing a sport, or following along with a YouTube workout video, moving your body in ways you enjoy makes it easier to turn exercise into a habit. 5. Build a supportive network. Humans are social creatures, and connection is vital for mental health. A study by Harvard found that meaningful relationships are one of the strongest predictors of happiness and well-being. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. If in-person connections feel out of reach, consider online communities, support groups, or even reconnecting with old friends. Mental health is a journey, not a destination. As always, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes and not to be construed as medical advice. These 5 strategies: connecting with nature, practicing mindfulness, eating for your brain, moving your body, and building strong relationships are powerful tools to help you navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. Shoppable links for featured products in this video can be found in the video description below, as well as links to find merch by Norcoá.